TRADESAFE Professional Lockout Tagout Kit is your best solution for complex, multi-source energy isolation during maintenance. This kit includes 4 LOTO locks with corrosion-resistant stainless steel shackles and non-conductive thermoplastic bodies. These premium locks feature a key retaining brass core cylinder to ensure they cannot be left unlocked, improving safety compliance during LOTO operations. Each is keyed differently and available with 1 or 2 keys per lock. For electrical isolation, 2 clamp-on circuit breaker lockouts are designed to firmly grip breaker toggles up to 5/8 by 1/2 inch. 2 universal breaker locks for added flexibility to secure both single and multi-pole breakers across different panel types. 1 medium-sized plug lockout for 110 to 125 volt plugs secures up to 2 plugs at once, with a maximum diameter of 2 1/8 inches and a cord diameter of up to 11/16 of an inch. The abrasion-resistant thermoplastic shell protects against high-impact and harsh worksite conditions. For valve control, the gate valve lockout is made of durable ABS plastic designed to fit valve handles from 1 to 2.5 inches in diameter. An adjustable polypropylene ball valve lockout is also included to secure 1/2 inch to 2 3/4 inch pipe diameters. This LOTO kit includes an adjustable cable lockout with an impact-resistant polycarbonate body and a 6-foot PVC-coated stainless steel cable. With a 5/32 cable diameter, it provides a versatile, secure lockout for multiple energy points and irregular equipment configurations. The 2 steel jaw hasps with nylon-coated handles are available in 1-inch jaw diameter. Each allows for up to 6 padlocks, so equipment remains locked out until every worker removes their lock. Weather-resistant 32 mil thick vinyl tags provide clear hazard communication with bold, danger, and do not operate warnings. All 10 LOTO tags feature high-contrast coloring for instant visibility and a spacious surface for seamless notation using markers or wax pencils. For secure tag attachment, 20 non-releasable nylon zip ties are included, rated at a minimum 50 pounds unlocking strength. This 25-piece LOTO kit comes with a heavy-duty, tear-resistant polyester canvas bag built for daily industrial use. Its durable zipper keeps everything secured, and the built-in sturdy handle enables easy carrying from station to panel. Measuring 9 3/8 by 5.5 by 4 5/16 inches, the bag is compact yet spacious enough to keep every device organized and ready to grab for use. The striking red canvas ensures instant visibility, helping workers easily find the kit at a glance. And with a clear, bold Lockout Tagout label on the front, there's no confusion about what it is for. Each component of the TRADESAFE Professional LOTO Kit is designed to exceed standards for controlling hazardous electrical energy, helping facilities implement reliable and safe lockout procedures. Built better, made stronger, perform every time.